Let's learn how to block websites on an iPhone. This can be done in just a few steps and is not difficult at all. So, if you want to see how to do this, stay until the end of the video. The first thing you need to do is find and open the settings on your iPhone. Once settings is open, you'll have many options. You need to click on the screen time option. After clicking on that option, a page with more options will open. Scroll down a bit, and you will find the Content and Privacy Restrictions option. When that page opens, you need to turn on the Content and Privacy Restrictions option at the top. After turning on that option, you will need to enter your screen time password. Once you've done that, from all the options on that page, you need to click on the one called Store, Web, Siri, and Game Center Content. After clicking on this option, a page will open where you need to click on the Web Content option. There, you will have 3 options to choose from. Click on Limit Adult Websites. When you click on that, you will again need to enter your screen time password. Once you've entered it, at the bottom of that page, you can choose which websites you always want to allow and which you never want to allow. You can do this by clicking on the blue words Add Website. When you click that, you will again need to enter your screen time password. Once you've entered the password, you will have the option to add the link of the website. After you add the website link, that's it, you have successfully done this. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.